Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Weng Sensei, your online tutor. Our expression of the day is, it slipped my mind. We use the expression, it slipped my mind, when we forget something that we had to do. Example conversation. You need to add this information. Oh, it slipped my mind. I'll add it. That's okay, we still have time to revise. Complete this conversation using the video. Use "it slipped my mind" in your response. Let's try this. Hey Dave, we also need this data. Please add it. Type your answer on the comment section. For the next expression of the day, we will use "you shouldn't have." Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get your expression of the day. Like and share this video and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Weng Sensei, your online tutor.